Hey there folks, welcome back to Culinary Delights. It's your favorite home chef Colin, and today we're making barbecue baked beans. The kind that'll make you forget about that sad can of beans you've been hiding in the back of your pantry. Yep, we're about to elevate that sad can of baked beans into a baked bean game changer at your next barbecue or cookout. And trust me, you'll have your guests coming back for seconds or thirds, but I won't judge. So here's a fun fact. Baked beans originated back in the Native American tribes on the eastern side of the USA. Their method involved soaking navy beans, mixing them in bear fat, that's right, bear fat, and maple syrup, and then slow cook them in an earthen or deerskin pot over fire. So here's what you'll need to make these baked beans as magical as my cooking skills. 3 28-ounce cans of your favorite baked beans. That is roughly 800 grams of baked beans per can. 1 large onion diced. 1 green bell pepper diced. A bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. 1 pound, which is about 450 grams of bacon, because we all know that bacon makes everything better. And also cut the bacon into pieces. You can also add a pinch of cayenne pepper if you want to add a little bit of heat to it. I don't do it, but if you would like to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, it's all good. Okay, first things first, you're going to want to cook that awesome goodness called bacon. Get it nice and crispy and the bacon grease has rendered. Now remove the bacon pieces and leave the bacon grease in the pan, because those diced onions and green bell peppers also want to enjoy a little swim in that grease. Once the onions become translucent, remove them from the pan and place it into another bowl. Right, next we are going to pour all those beans into a baking dish. Now add the onions and green peppers, mix it real good. Next we're going to add that crispy goodness, bacon, and give it a good mix in as well. Hey, if you want to toss everything together before mixing it all, then just go right ahead and do so. I'm just trying to get more minutes on my videos so I can get more viewing hours. Hey, a man's got to do what a man's got to do to grow his channel. Well, enough of my ramblings, because the star of the dish is waiting to be introduced. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you the star of our epic dish. Here is barbecue sauce. Mix it in real good. Every bean, every bacon piece, onion and bell pepper has to meet your barbecue sauce. So mix it in real good. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the beans, excuse the pun, for the next 30 to 40 minutes until the sauce is slightly caramelized. Remove from the oven and serve immediately. I wish you could just smell these beans. They are definitely going to be a winner at your next barbecue, your cookout, or if you're South African, try these at your next braai. There we go, a plate of pure deliciousness. Now that's lekker. So that's it for today's barbecue baked beans. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and have a blast making these for your next barbecue, cookout or braai. If you loved it, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me about your favorite barbecue side dish. I'm always looking for new ways to get my grill on. Until next time folks, keep your barbecue hot, your beans saucy and your kitchen full of good vibes. God bless.